Hi everybody, welcome back to another video only here on Talk Guy. Today I'm going to show you how you can share screen on Google Meet. So let's just start an instant meeting right here. Now, what we want to do is we want to go here, present now. So it's similar to Zoom actually, or to um, whatever platform that you're using, Zoom, Teams. It's practically the same as those. So you can either present a tab. So let's first open a tab. Let's say this one. And then let's say here. The best thing about um the best thing about Google Meet is it's connected instantly to Google. So you won't have a hard time presenting tabs like this, YouTube. Yeah, let's open another tab so we can demonstrate it properly. Let's say Amazon Job Street. There we go. Perfect. Then here, let's say Amazon here. So any tab you have open, you can present it just like that. So you're instantly presenting this one right here. Scroll and zoom your presentation in Meet. So there's also this option. This is really cool. Something that is quite hard to do for in Zoom. So this is a really interesting thing here. You can see your Zoom meeting. At the same time, you can see what you're presenting in the tab. So that's really cool. And you can also click, I think, oh no, you can't click, but definitely cool that you can scroll and zoom in and out. See right there, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. So that's really cool. Now, to end the presentation, just click on this again and then stop presenting. Or we want to present something else. Let's say the windows. Right here, let's say this one. Oh, can share that screen. So let's just say we're going to present another window. Let's say this one, the survey. And yet again, we can do this one. Then you can do this. That's it. You can also present an entire screen. So let's say this screen, we're going to present it. If you have two computer screens, that's perfect. Okay, so this is just freaky. So let's stop sharing that one. And that's basically it. You can share either Chrome tab, window, or the entire screen. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this one. If we did, please do hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button. And we'll see you again on another video only here on Talk Guy.